Are you looking to download your Instagram data to your PC? Let's walk through the simple steps to help you do just that. First, open Instagram.com on your web browser. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for and click on the Privacy and Security option. This will lead you to a new page where you can manage your account's privacy settings. Scroll down on the Privacy and Security page until you find the section labeled Data Download. Click on Request Download to initiate the process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and Instagram password. Once you've done that, click on Request Download to confirm your request. After completing these steps, Instagram will process your request, and you will receive an email with a link to download your data within the next 48 hours. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily download your Instagram data to your PC for safekeeping and future reference. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your social media accounts effectively. Remember to subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.